We all have used great products ourselves, and we want to recommend them to our friends and audience. Let's start with one of the world's largest affiliate programs, the Amazon Associates Program, to do just that. Share good stuff and get some commission recommending what's best. Let's begin by going over to Google search and type in Amazon Affiliate Program. Click on the first web link, and here we go. There's plenty of information to read through on this website, but the key idea is to look through the FAQ and know that you can earn anything between 1 to 10% of the commission. So go ahead, click on the link. If you are new, you can create a new Amazon account, but if you're like me who buys stuff from Amazon regularly, then all you need to do is to use the same login details you use for buying stuff. Once you go past the login page, you will need to enter your address, contact, email details, and most importantly, your full name. Take note that Amazon needs the full name for them to write your check or pay to your bank account. It should be the same. In fact, I must say it should be identical to the one on your bank records. You will have to have a website URL or a mobile app URL. Now for me, I will enter my Instagram web link. If you don't have one, try setting up one on WordPress or YouTube channel. They are pretty easy to set up, and that's all that you will need. That tells Amazon that you already have a web presence or the ability to direct traffic to their merchants. Now, if your websites are directed at children under 13 years old, you can't display any ads or Amazon affiliate web links. For me, my website assets do not market to children. So go ahead and select No. Here, you will spend some time to tell Amazon something about your website and the topics that interest you or your audience. This could be things that you talk about on your Instagram account or your YouTube channels. Now, next pick your Amazon Associate Store ID. Mine is Do More Live Happy. Select one that is unique and identifying you. You will need to write a little bit about what you do on your web assets. You can reference my description and do some adjustment. So remember that you set up a website or a mobile app to help others do things faster, cheaper, and more effectively. So for me, I like to help people live happier lives by helping them to do things more. So you realize that you need to prepare this ahead of time. And you will need to spend a bit of time just typing it down and make sure you correct for any grammar or spelling mistake along the way. Next, choose your primary and secondary topics so Amazon knows more about you. What you're about to do with the checkbox is to help Amazon classify the type of products that you can represent and recommend. And then give it some starting data for their AI to categorize you as a potential point of sale. So look through the list carefully and see which of this niche or category best describe what you will do. So continue to pick the Amazon items that you want to list on your website. And you can choose the type of website that you have. So in this case, mine would be a content or niche website. and some website that it can be searched for. It also asks you how to drive traffic to your website. So I choose shopping portal, display, advertising, blogs, SEO, stuff like that. Then you go ahead and tell them how you intend to generate income. So in this case, I would choose either Amazon affiliate program or Amazon Associates as the only way I am trying to monetize my site. So based on my YouTube channel, I have about 500 to 5,000 unique visitors per month. Now once you're done with all the categories selection, you need to enter the character in the image that was shown to you and click you agree to the terms and condition. With that, you are halfway through and you're now granted your unique associate ID. Mine is Do More Live Happy -20. At this point of time, you're almost ready to start. You can choose to start going to find relevant product links that you can insert or embed into your website, or you may wish to go ahead to enter information on how you want to be paid. Now we'll need to log in to enter your payment information. You will need your contact number for two-step verification. Enter your mobile phone number and click OTP. So I'm in Singapore right now and the phone code is +65. Go ahead and check your SMS sent to you on your handphone, and then you need to enter the OTP given to you. So all these take less than 1 minute. It's pretty fast actually. You need to tell Amazon how you wish to be paid. There are 3 options. First option is to have them pay you by directly depositing money to your bank account. Second option is that they pay you by Amazon gift cards, and third option is that they pay you by check. Option 1 is very useful if you are residing in US and some country that have this arrangement. Scroll down the list and see whether your country is in that list. Now if you reach a minimum of $10 US, you will receive your first paycheck. This is by far the best option. I reside in Singapore and nope, this option is not available to me. So there's option 2 and there's option 3. Now option 2, you can select pay me by Amazon gift cards, and if you make your purchase regularly on Amazon, this will be extremely useful. So once again, you get a payout if you reach a commission of US $10. And then option 3 is by far, for me, the worst option. Amazon will send a check to you when your commission hit US $100. Make sure the address you have entered earlier on is correct and is identical to your bank records. Assuming you are making a living off recommendation products to your audience and have a decent income, your local tax agency will now want a piece of the action. So next we will go to the tax section where the US government or your own local government will tax you. It all depends on where you stay. However, take note you should only be taxed once in most cases. For me, I have a non-US TIN or tax identification number. Now, whether you are taxed in one country or in your home country depends on where you are. Most of us will be in one place most of the time. Now, unless you're traveling in and out of the country, then you will be taxed in both countries, and that depends on the percentage of the time you are physically located either in the United States or your home country. So choose this carefully. So for me, all my services will be performed outside of the US, and therefore the Singapore government or the tax agency will tax me accordingly. Now you're almost there. Now you need to sign off. Instead of hand signing or using your Apple Pencil, you will just need to type in the same full name you have entered earlier on. Do not deviate. It should be word for word. Otherwise, Amazon Checker will refuse to bring you to the final section and you'll be stuck here forever. Now, the validation is almost instantaneous, and that's good news. In case you don't have the validation done, wait for the email or give it some time to check your information out. It might take a few hours or a few days. So if you like this video, please smash the like button, share with your friends, and subscribe. In the next video, I will be showing you where to get the product links to embed in your website and start making real money.